I have not been doing full-scape portrait drawings with pencil for long, so this time I thought let's draw one. For the subject I wanted to choose somebody whom we all know, so who better than Ashish sir, Ashish Vidyarthi. Recently he has started his YouTube channel. There we have been able to understand how the human being in Mr. Ashish Vidyarthi is actually. Generally we relate these people who are doing negative characters in movies as people who would be bad in their own real life, but he's not. And his deep connections towards Bengal is something which intrigued me to draw him more. I have seen so many vlogs where he has been featured. He has featured in a friend's vlog also, Living with Rahul, and I really liked his nature. I have learned stories about him, the real human being that he has been. So I wanted to draw him, the real self of him, if I could bring it out somehow from my portrait. He often says in his videos that life is like whatever the stories that we tell. So this is the story that I wanted to tell with my drawing. That's why I thought let's draw him. I don't know whether it will reach you or not, sir, but if it reaches you, I would really love to know how you feel that I try to portray you in this drawing, how you felt about it. So for this drawing I chose my simple graphite pencils. You can use any of it if you are watching this video to learn how I did this. I kept on drawing one sketch, one piece at a time, like every stroke I gave slowly, but it took a lot of time. I think in total it took me around 10 hours to draw Mr. Ashish Vidyarthi and this portrait. I really enjoyed how it came out as an end product, and since I could relate a lot with him, that's why I wanted to keep that smile. I chose a photograph of his from Google where he was smiling, and this is what I think he majorly does in his own videos. You feel a very good factor towards yourself, towards how he is portraying life through a journey every day. So I really wanted that part of his life, of a human life, to come out in this drawing. So each drawing can tell you a lot of stories. It depends on how you are drawing it. So that is why I always love and always come back to pencil drawings. However digital drawings on NFTs I create, I always love to do these kinds of pencil and charcoal drawings. I love it. So this is what it was from my end. I would really love to know whether you guys have watched him or not. You have definitely watched him in your movies, in all different regional movies he has worked. He has worked obviously in Bollywood and also in Bengali Tollywood movies. So whether you have seen his videos on YouTube or not, I would really love to know, and please let me know whatever you think in the comments below. See you in the next video. Bye.